Good evening and welcome to Tech Tonight, your definitive source for the most impactful developments shaping our digital world. I'm your host, and tonight we're diving deep into the transformative currents sweeping across the tech landscape. Our lead story takes us straight into the heart of generative AI, where text-to-video models are not just evolving, but fundamentally redefining the boundaries of digital content creation. We're witnessing an astonishing leap in capabilities, with platforms now able to conjure hyper-realistic, high-fidelity video footage from mere textual prompts, complete with intricate scenes, nuanced character expressions, and dynamic camera movements. This technology promises to democratize filmmaking, revolutionize advertising, and unlock unprecedented creative potential for artists and storytellers worldwide, offering tools that can bring complex visions to life with remarkable speed. However, with such immense power comes an equally immense responsibility. The ethical implications are profound and multifaceted, demanding our immediate and sustained attention. Concerns around the proliferation of sophisticated deepfakes, the potential for widespread misinformation campaigns, and complex intellectual property disputes are growing louder. Furthermore, the specter of job displacement within traditional creative industries looms large, prompting urgent discussions about reskilling and the future of work. As these models become increasingly sophisticated and accessible, the imperative for robust ethical frameworks, transparent development practices, and proactive regulatory measures becomes paramount to ensure these powerful tools are harnessed for societal good, rather than exploited for malicious intent. The industry is at a critical juncture, balancing innovation with accountability, and the decisions made today will shape our digital future. Moving from the digital creations to the very bedrock they stand upon, our second segment shifts focus to the foundational silicon infrastructure powering this AI revolution. The insatiable demand for computational power, fueled by increasingly complex AI models and the sheer volume of data they process, has ignited an unprecedented arms race in chip development. We're seeing a significant pivot away from general-purpose CPUs and even traditional GPUs towards highly specialized custom AI chips, often referred to as ASICs or application-specific integrated circuits. Tech giants like Google with its tensor processing units, Amazon with Inferentia and Trainium, and Microsoft with its recently unveiled Maya and Athena chips are investing billions in designing their own silicon. This strategic move allows them to optimize performance, energy efficiency, and cost for their specific AI workloads, offering a distinct advantage over relying solely on third-party vendors. These custom chips are engineered from the ground up to accelerate matrix multiplications and parallel processing, the core operations of neural networks, far more efficiently than their general-purpose counterparts. This explosion in specialized hardware necessitates a corresponding expansion in physical infrastructure. Data centers globally are undergoing massive, rapid expansion, transforming landscapes and consuming vast tracts of land and immense amounts of energy. The sheer scale of these operations raises critical questions about energy consumption, environmental impact, and the sustainability of our digital future. Ensuring these colossal digital factories are powered by renewable sources and designed with efficiency in mind is not just an environmental concern, but a strategic imperative for the continued growth of AI. Shifting gears now to how all this incredible content, whether AI-generated or traditionally produced, reaches our screens, we turn our attention to the rapidly evolving media landscape. The days of purely linear television are increasingly behind us, as streaming services have firmly cemented their dominance, fundamentally altering viewer habits and expectations. What we're witnessing now is the maturation of the streaming era, characterized by the emergence of sophisticated hybrid models. Ad-supported tiers are no longer an afterthought, but a strategic pillar for major platforms, offering more accessible price points and expanding subscriber bases. Free ad-supported streaming television, or FAST channels, are proliferating, carving out niches with curated content libraries that mimic traditional broadcast channels but delivered over IP. Furthermore, content bundling, once the domain of cable providers, is making a significant comeback, with tech and media giants partnering to offer consolidated packages that aim to reduce subscription fatigue. Amidst this digital transformation, traditional broadcasters are not standing still. They are actively adapting, leveraging robust fiber optic networks for high-quality, low-latency distribution, ensuring their content reaches both traditional broadcast towers and IP-based streaming platforms with unparalleled reliability and fidelity. This convergence of traditional broadcast and internet protocol delivery is creating a complex but exciting ecosystem, blurring the lines between old and new media. The challenge for content creators and distributors lies in navigating this fragmented market, optimizing monetization strategies, and consistently delivering compelling experiences across a multitude of platforms, all while managing the intricate technical demands of global distribution. As we wrap up tonight's broadcast, it's clear that the threads connecting generative AI, the foundational silicon infrastructure, and the evolving media landscape are becoming ever more tightly interwoven. We are living through a period of unprecedented technological acceleration, where innovation in one domain rapidly fuels breakthroughs in another. From the ethical considerations of AI-generated content to the massive energy demands of custom chip data centers, and the dynamic shifts in how we consume media, these are not isolated trends, but interconnected forces shaping our collective digital future. The pace of change is relentless, and staying informed is more crucial than ever. Thank you for joining us on Tech Tonight. For more in-depth analysis and to keep pace with these groundbreaking developments, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you next time for more insights into the world of tech.